In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate through the site. As you can see, I've already joined the site. The first thing you have to do is to enroll in a class. Most likely your teacher has already given you a number so you can join to a class. To join to a class, you click on Enroll Now for classes. Now you type the number provided. For instance, in this case, I'm going to type 23847, and then it's going to click on Join the class, and you will see the message that you are now enrolled in the class name. You click OK. Now you're going to get back to the same screen. Now that you have been joined to a class, you can see all the lesson plans that is uploaded by your teacher, the videos, the e-practice, which is the main part, and some other information which I'm not going to cover. The first thing is your e-lesson. If you want to see the lessons that you can also print, you click on e-lesson. Now you select your course. In this case, there is only one course. You click your unit. There are 3 units here. Let's click on equations. Under the unit, you will have all the lessons for each section. Let's say we want to read about solve simple equation 4.1. You click on this one and then you say view lesson. The lesson is going to be shown as a PDF file. You can print it or you can read the lesson. Now, this is about the lessons. The other one is about the videos. If there is any video under any lesson, you click on e-video, then you select the course, you select the section, which is, you select the unit, which is equations, and then if there is any video, is going to appear here. Apparently the teacher hasn't uploaded any video for this unit yet. But the main part of the site is doing practice online. You click on e-practice. Again, you select your course. You select your unit, say equations. If there is any homework, you have to select it through available practices, which is homework. You click homework. Now, under the unit and the section, if there is any homework available, you select it here. Apparently there is a homework 4.1, which is solve simple equations. You click on this one, then you say start practice. Now it's going to show you one question, which is solve for z in this equation. The first thing you have to do is that you have to take your notebook out and start solving this equation. And when you are finished, you can check my answer here. But before we go there, these are the main part here. This tells you how many questions you have been correct, how many questions you have answered incorrectly, how many minutes have you done your homework so far, and how many minutes you have to do the homework. The homework here, the target minute is 40 minutes. So let's assume we solve this one and we found that z is equal to -12. -2 times 6 is -12. When you are done with solving, you click on check my answer and you will see all the answers here. You will have 40 seconds to answer the question, meaning to select one of these. After 40 seconds, the system assumes that you didn't answer the question or your answer is incorrect, so there won't be this number is going to be incremented by 1, and you will get the number of minutes. Most likely you will get the same question here. Let's say I click on -12 here, and then it says check my answer again to set. Now, when I click on this one, you can see that it said the correct is 1. My performance is 100% because I did one question and the question that I did was correct. And it took me 1 minute. So I have done 1 minute of homework right now. Now let's try another one. X over -8 is -3. So if I cross multiply, I'm going to get X is equal to 24. Check my answer. You will see the answer here. Now let's assume I make a mistake. Let's say I click on 30 by mistake. If I click check my answer again, you will see the solution is given here. The question is X over -8 is -3. The correct answer is 24. And then this is the solution. This is a very simple problem. So the solution is very simple and short. So it says isolate X by multiplying both sides by -8 to get rid of fraction, and then the step-by-step solution given here. When you are reading the solution, if there is any problem with the solution, click to report problem with this solution. Do not, please, do not report unnecessary problems here. So if there is a problem, you click on this and then you type what the problem is. Then the site administrator is going to get your report and is going to try to solve the problem if there is a problem. Other than that, what you have to do is to close the screen and go back to the next question. If you look at here, it says the correct one is 1. The incorrect question is 1. So your performance is 50%, and the total amount of time that you've spent doing the homework is 2 minutes. So this means based on the target time, you have 38 more minutes to solve the problem. So this is the main part of the site, doing the homework online and also getting the solution if there is any problem. Now, if I go back to ePractice again, select the same course and the unit. Remember the type of practice before we did was homework. You have an option of worksheet too. So you can click on worksheet and you will see the same problems in your homework as a worksheet that you can do on a piece of paper. So if I click on available practices and then click the print worksheet now, let's see what will happen. You will see the same homework that you just saw is shown as a worksheet. So I can print this one and I can do it in my workbook.